Hello students, now today we will discuss about the topic mass, weight and differences between mass and weight. First of all, we will discuss about mass. Student, mass of an object is the quantity of matter contained in it. Okay, mass of an object is the quantity of matter contained in it. Okay, and mass of an object does not vary place to place. Okay, it has a constant value and is represented by small m. And mass is a scalar quantity. Okay, mass is a scalar quantity. Okay, now what is SI unit, what is CGS unit of mass? Student, SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, SI unit of mass is kilogram. We can write kg. And CGS unit is gram, and we can write small. SI unit of mass is kilogram, CGS unit of mass is gram. And for further heavier object, we can use quintal, and metric ton. Quintal and metric ton. Okay, and mass of object can be measured by beam balance. Okay, beam balance or physical balance. Mass of an object can be measured by beam balance or physical balance. Okay, now what is weight and what are SI and CGS unit of weight? Actually, weight of an object is the force. Weight of an object is the force with which earth attracts. Okay, weight of an object is the force with which earth attracts. Okay, and we can write formula for weight: m into g, where small m represents mass and g represents acceleration due to gravity, and the value of g at the earth surface will be 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, and actually mass of an object is a constant quantity, and due to variation of g, the value of w, weight, varies place to place. Okay, mass is constant and the value of g varies place to place. So due to this, weight of an object varies place to place, and weight is a vector quantity. Mass is scalar and weight is vector quantity. Now, what is SI unit? SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton. We can write this. Okay, and CGS unit will be dyne. Now we can also write Newton in terms of kilogram force, kilogram weight. Okay, we can also write in kilogram force and kilogram force or kilogram weight, and the relation between kilogram force and Newton will be 1 kilogram force is equals to, we can write 1 kilogram weight is again equals to 9.8 Newton. Okay, and we can write 10 Newton also. Okay, we can write 10 Newton. This is relation between kilogram force and Newton. Now weight of an object can be measured by spring balance. Okay, by spring balance. Okay, now next topic will be differences between mass and weight. So first of all, first difference between mass and weight will be, from definition of mass and weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in an object. Okay, means quantity of matter contained in an object. But weight is the force. Okay, with which Earth attracts. Okay, now second topic, second difference. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, SI unit of mass is kilogram, and SI unit of weight will be Newton. Okay, SI unit of weight will be Newton. Now third, mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is scalar, weight is vector. So we can write mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. Okay. Now fourth, mass of an object is a constant. Okay, constant. Mass of an object is a constant quantity, but weight varies place to place due to variation in g. So varies place to place. Now next, mass is a constant quantity, so the value of mass cannot be 0. Okay, the value of mass cannot be 0, but the value of weight becomes 0 if the value of g at any particular distance, at any particular place is 0. So we can write W equals m into 0, and we have weight of an object at that particular place will be 0. So mass of object cannot be 0, but weight becomes 0. Okay, now thank you.